G'day, I'm Paul. This is my Cannon. Today I'm going to do some more decal work. Got this cute little thing sent over from China. Set up a camera. See how it goes. Wish me luck. So when I did my four-wheel drive sticker at the back, I got it a bit crooked. So this time what I've done is I've created a hinge with tape as per normal. This time I've just used some tape along the decal as markers on either side, so I can use it as a guide as I'm going along and applying it. Good luck doing this without bullbars to stand on.
We hadn't heard much till they came to say he had run. In a different world a handful knew something somewhere broken too. If I see you standing there, my friend, I will run. We sit in silence in our lonely towers, and we don't believe we're ever getting home. Come sit in silence or come talk for hours, you know I'll give you everything I can, and brother, you don't have to go.
When you buy these things, they can quite often come with creases between the top plastic and the decals themselves. Sometimes that results in a crease in the decals, sometimes it doesn't. Do your best to work the creases out, but often it's just as easy to ignore them and they come out once you take the top plastic off.
A phone call thrown out in a silent night, I will run. He asked for nothing.
So I've left quite a bit of overhang to tuck in underneath the bonnet, and as I mentioned before, these edges, when you tuck them in under panels, lift quite easily, so a little bit of quick grip or A2 contact adhesive, something like that. I'm just going to run a line just inside where the decals tuck in, and I'm going to get in there and tuck underneath.
I'll give you everything I can, and brother, you don't have to go.
And there you have it. It took about 20 minutes. I'll see if I can get a close-up in here, and you might be able to see the occasional bubble here. Tiny little bubbles. You can massage them out, but more often than not it's better just to do nothing. Then we flick around to the back of the truck on a decal that I did a while back, and this too had little micro bubbles. You just need to let it age, you know, get some sun, those bubbles will magically disappear. I'm Paul. You've been watching me apply my decal on my GWM Cannon. You can do it on any truck. Get out there, get modding.